Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're waiting for my videos and you watching my videos? Good. So please subscribe. Okay. Do you know what we will learn today? Good. Letter S. First, learn the sound of letter S. S sounds. Say with me. Good. What do you know? S is a last letter because it's written in two middle lines. But can you write S? Yes, it's difficult. So keep practicing. S is like a 8. Half 8. Oh, story time. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Oh yes. Oh, do you know? Space. Now learn the sea animal from letter C. Starfish. Shark. I'm too scary. Snake. Slow. Seahorse is water animal. Sea lion. Flying. Okay, now learn some animal, land animal from letter Spider. I am Spider-Man. Squirrel, so beautiful, and its color is brown. Snake, too dangerous. Sheep, Baba, black sheep. Have you any bull? Yes sir, 3 bags full. Scorpion, I'm too scary. Sparrow, very cute. And words from letter Sun. It's very hot today. Stars. Plenty of stars. Space. Spaceship. Sunflower. Yellow. Sandwich. My mama makes daily. Strawberry. My favorite. But it's too sour. Spoon. Soup. Hot. Oh, now it's your turn. Tell me some new words from letter like, subscribe. Oh yes. Thanks for watching my videos. I hope you are learning so much. But do subscribe me, like, share, comment, and give me some suggestions what you more want to learn. See you soon. Take care, friends. Bye bye.